Welcome. This is a continuation of my previous video. If you have not yet watched that video, check in the link in the description.
Cool. My hair can move easily now. So, according to the manual, you are supposed to dry off 50% and then blow dry the hair. And then split the hair in 4 parts. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm using my towel to dry off the hair. To 50%. How are we supposed to know what 50% is? Well, I think maybe this is 50%. And then blow dry the hair. But for me, I want to blow dry my hair in sections and then straighten it in sections. So I'm dividing my hair into 4 parts again.
To tell the truth, this was the first time I was using this brush and I didn't know what to do. It took me about an hour to get it out of my hair.
So guys, this is the blowout I got after blow dry my hair. So the next step is to straighten my hair with a flat iron to seal in the keratin. So according to the manual, you are supposed to straighten your hair starting from the neck. Repeat at least 7 times. So I'm going to straighten the blown out hair.
So guys, please be mindful, after this treatment, you are only supposed to use sulfate-free products in your hair. Otherwise, you will not have the full effects of the products in your hair over the 3-month period that has been stipulated by the manufacturers.
Since I want my hair to be straight, I have to do this.
So actually, whilst I was doing this treatment, I was thinking, will my hair lose its texture? But I don't know, it feels like it has just blown out my hair. I don't know, like blow out. You see those times when we used to do like blowing in our hair using peppermint cream? This has a similar effect, I think. And I was trying to straighten my hair so bad, but I don't know what happened. My flat iron or my hair straightening skills are not up to par. But generally, I also didn't want to damage my hair, because I didn't apply any kind of heat protection. So so basically guys, that's it. Me trying to get it as straight as I could. Let's see what will happen at the end of this effort. So basically, I straightened my whole hair. And I suddenly decided to cut the ends of my hair. I don't even know what I was thinking. So I was straightening and then cutting systematically.
And Brazilian keratin treatment or Brazilian blowout. Oh no, I have destroyed my hair. I have uneven cuts. But I think it's fine.
And my ends, the texture, I don't know, it feels like it's still not smooth enough. Or maybe I didn't apply enough product at the ends. Or maybe my hair is too curly. I don't know what happened. Me trying to DIY keratin treatment at home by myself.
So after cutting my hair is now uneven, but I think it's fine. It's fine. Yeah. This is the amount of hair I chopped off. My hair is quite thick, so it took me a long time. But I think this is cool. My hair can move easily now. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to add the last product, which is argan oil to restore strength and then shine. So I'm supposed to massage this into the hair after applying pressure in my hands. So I'm going to apply this. Let's see. My hair in sections, of course. So was this product worth it? Yes, because my hair became smoother and then it felt fluffier and lighter. And also I think that it will help me manage my hair, but I don't know how long it will take. However, if you are interested in the products that I used, I'll put the link to it in the description for your information. So this is it, my Brazilian blowout, Brazilian hair straightening. If you have any comments concerning how it came or any questions, you can put it in the comment section. And if you like this video, I'm sure you will like my previous video where I show you how I twist my natural hair.